This is a quick tutorial on Flipgrid, which is a great publication tool. As you can tell from the scrolling background on this website, most of the content in here, it consists of short videos that can be uploaded by the user. In this case, students could use a set of notes, and they could basically do an audiovisual presentation of a paper or a project rather than having to type out like 1,000-word essay or something like that, which a lot of my students would much prefer to do the video option. So I already have an account. I'm logged in, or I will log in, but I'll show y'all how to navigate to the section where you can actually push out content to your students and let them publish their written pieces as sort of multimedia projects. So go to log in. Okay, and it logged me in automatically because I'm signed in through my Google Teacher account. Right here at the top is one I created earlier tonight. It says demo, so go ahead and click on that. And you can, you can change the theme. This is, when students have a join code where they will use this. You can post it, on Google Classroom, send it through email. Either one is fine. And then you can also share it that way using Google sharing features. You could add a co-lead. Like, this is great. So for example, in the class that I'm in right now, it's an inclusion class. Either myself or the other general education teacher can add questions on there and have students like record videos and do other sorts of things. This is not just for video, though. It does have other functions, but I find that it is very easy to use for video, and students seem to like it. The functionality is pretty manageable, especially for students that are not like the most technologically adept. So I do recommend it as like maybe a first line of defense as far as recording and posting videos. So this is the default welcome sign that you get when you create a group. Okay, so we're within our group here, and you'll need to assign group members. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to respect my students' privacy. But you can upload class rosters from Google Classroom, which is super easy, and then they have access to it that way. If you want to add a topic, which is what you're that's how you create these digital sort of assignments where students then post recordings and such. You click on that button, add topic, that blue button with the plus sign, and it will take you here. You title it. You can give a description. Like provide, verbal, analysis of, Macbeth's development in the third act or something like that, right? So, and then you can post that, and then you can decide what kind of media you want students to use. This one is usually what I do. The record video button. You can make it as simple as like just a quick check at the end of a lesson and add emojis and stuff like that. This one wouldn't be so great for like a writing project, but at least using the video recording is great. Yeah, highly recommended. And then once you have filled this all in, everything looks great. You save it to a group, and then you can assign it to students through Google Classroom. So again, another fantastic tool that you can use. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you. If I go back on screen, yes, I want to leave. Okay. So just to kind of do a quick demonstration also of how the video feature works, so you can show students how to do it. You can also post your own videos. So I'll click on this, which is the one that they send you from the Flipgrid people. It's like your automated welcome sort of Flipgrid where that you will then create, okay? And then when you see down here, it says help your group get started. So you're going to be the one to add the first response. I'm going to add my first response. And then you're probably going to see my face in a second. There I am. Hi there. So then this button in the center right there is how you are going to record. And there are some other functions here that you can use. I don't usually mess with this, but sorry, I'm in such a darkly lit room. But yeah, that's how Flipgrid works. Again, I think students really seem to enjoy it, at least in my experience. And that usually they keep it simple, like 2 to 3 minute videos are fine, because they can say a lot in 2 to 3 minutes, and that's good enough for me. If they can demonstrate that understanding, then I'm totally fine with a audio visual recording. So highly recommended.